for this question, okay, kita start dengan information tu lah, the 50 kg block A. Okay, so this is the initial condition and then final and then given. So initially, okay, block A is released from rest. Okay, so we have block A. Initially, block A VA equals to 0 meter per second, VA not initially. Okay, this is not, final is state 1, for example. Okay, it means that VB not is also 0 meter per second initially, and then MA equals to 50 kilogram and MB equals to 15 kilogram. Okay, so okay, determine. Okay, so this is T naught equals to 0 second, T1 equals to 2 second. Okay, so ini semua information yang we need. Okay, then we need to analyze for this kind of problem, we usually need to find the relationship between A and B. Okay, so what is the relationship between A and B? So look at the length of the rope, L. Okay, so first we have A. Okay, we set our datum first. Okay, lupa. So we set our datum. Let's set our datum here. Let's set our datum here. Datum. This is our datum, and this is the positive direction. Okay, so first kita ada this one. Okay, so this one is let's say this is SA. SA. Okay, so SA, and then we have, okay, so and then for SB, let's draw a line here. Okay, macam ni. Let's say this is SB, okay, and if you move the string, it will go down, and the length of these 3 strings will always remain the same. 3 ropes always remains, the rope sections of these 3 the 3 sections will always remain the same. Okay, maknanya, okay, this part here is constant. Okay, so sama juga macam sini, the constant part we ignore. So we have SA, so this is SA plus 3 SB. Okay, so this is the length of the rope. Okay, so because this part 1, 2, 3, they should all have the same length. When the rope gets longer, they all have the same length. Okay, so 3 SB, and if we differentiate both sides, we'll get 0 equals to VA plus 3 VB, and also AA plus 3 AB. So basically VA equals to negative 3 VB, and AA equals to negative 3 AB. Okay, so this is the relationship between A and B. Now we look at block A. Okay, we look at block A. So block A equals to MAG, sorry. So this is MAG, and the tension is T. Okay, so the tension that, let's assume that the tension of the rope that pulls A is T. Okay, T equals to MAG, and if we use this signage here, we assume that this is a positive direction, we will get total of F equals to MA. So we get MAG minus T equals to MAAA. Okay, so but at this point we don't know what T is yet. So T equals to MAG minus MAAA. Okay, now let's look at block B. Okay, block B. Block B. So we have B, and we have MBG, and we have, okay, so string T pulls up, so basically this will pull up T, and this will here will have T, and then it goes here T2. So we have 3 T's. Okay, so we have 3 T's, right? If we zoom in a little bit, okay, zoom in a little bit. So this is a tension of the string T. Let's put by A. Okay, so it goes here T, it goes here T, so this is T, and it pulls here, so this is T, goes here, and this is also T. So we have 3 T's, okay, which brings us here to 3T. T, T, T. Okay, and if you assume the positive direction is downwards, B, you'll get F equals to MA. So F is MBG minus 3T equals to MBAB. Okay. Now we have equation 1 and we have equation 2, and if we substitute equation 1 into equation 2, because what we need to find is we need to find the relationship. We need to find T. We don't know what T is, so when we do this, we'll cancel out T, so we get MBG minus 3T, which is MAG minus MAAA equals to MBAB. And then, so if we expand this, we get MBG minus 3 MAG plus 3 MAAA equals to MBAB. And then we already have the relationship between A and B. So since we are looking for, okay, so let's just substitute this. A equals negative 3 AB. Okay, so we have MBG minus 3 MAG plus 3 MA negative 3 AB equals to MBAB. And then so we know all these values. MB, we know G, 3MAG, 3MA, we don't know AB. So now we can actually find AB. So we bring this to the right side. Kita akan dapat MBG minus 3MAG equals to MBAB. Negative, so it becomes plus 9 MAAB. So this is MB plus 9 MA times AB. Plus, okay, that's correct. So AB equals to MBG minus 3 MAG divided by MB plus 9 MA. So this is MB minus 3 MA times G divided by MB plus 9 MA. So MB is 15, and MB is 15, MA is 50. MB is 15, that's 3 times 50 times 9.81, whereby MB is 15 plus 9 times 50, So AB is negative 2.84 meter per second square. Okay, so if you look again, okay, MB is constant, G is a constant, MA is a constant, G is constant. Basically, the acceleration of B is, it has a constant value. Okay, so from A equals to v dv dt. Okay, so we can bring dt up here, we can get dv equals to a dt, and then if we integrate both sides, v1 to v0 to v1, this is t0 to t1, we get v1 minus v0 equals to a, because it's constant, okay, nothing changes, t1 minus t0. So v1 of b is what we want to find, vb. v0 is 0 equals to a, negative 2.84. t1 is 2, t0 is 0. So vb equals to negative 2.84 times 2. So it's negative 5.68 meter per second. So vb equals to 5.68 meter per second. Okay, negative 5.68 meter per second means that it is, since we assume positive is the downward direction, negative means that it goes up. So it makes a lot of sense. When A goes down, B will go up. 5.68 meter per second. The direction is upwards.